We're finding out tonight that more law enforcement agencies are charging for public records. I'm Jenny Borick. We first brought you this story in July, shortly after a new law went into effect. We reached out to local agencies then, and now we know at least one has changed its policy. A new law went into effect in April, allowing law enforcement agencies to charge for video public records requests. Signed into law in January by Governor Mike DeWine, it says agencies can charge the costs associated with preparing the video. It caps the amount at $75 per hour, up to a maximum of $750. I asked a board member with Dayton United for Human Rights at the time of my original report about officials who support the law.
As a public official, I think you should want to be able to provide this service to the public for free.
At that time, the Springfield Police Department was the only agency we knew was charging. But on Thursday, the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office sent us an email saying it had, quote, new charging structure for video requests effective immediately. MCSO will now be charging the amount the law allows, $75 an hour or a maximum of $750. Another agency now charging is the Ohio State Highway Patrol. I requested video on Wednesday of a police chase and received an email that OSHP is charging $38.90 per hour of video requested. OSHP started charging on July 1st, but today was the first time we were made aware of its new policy. Mateo says these charges will change who has access to records.
It is also money-based. It is not that you're saying nobody should have access to this information. You're also saying, you know, if you're wealthy, you can have as many of the videos you want, but if you're poor and you want to review what the police did in their interaction with you, you need to have, you know, a certain amount of money.
I reached out to MCSO to find out why the decision was made and was told that I could get a statement on Friday. I also reached out to DPD to find out if it's thinking about changing its policy and was told more information will be available tomorrow.